Well, good morning. We are at M&M Products today. This place has been around since 1972. Rudy is joining us. Tell me about the history here.
Emily, this shop has been here for, well, so like I said, since 1972.
A long time.
My father started buying here in 1972. He was one of the first customers.
Wow.
So that's how I learned about cultured marble.
Okay.
And I myself am a bathroom renovator. I've been renovating bathrooms for going on 40 years now.
Okay.
And so I bought from here for 25 years with my showroom I had in St. Catharines.
All right.
15 years ago, I was approached to purchase the company.
Oh.
And so, you know, thinking about it, talking with the wife and stuff like that, I decided to become the Remington man. So I believed in the product so much that I bought the company.
That's amazing.
Yeah, so I've owned it for 15 years. And and we're growing it. We're bringing in new product lines. We got the Marblite now, which is just an upgrade from what they were doing or what we were doing 15 years ago.
Okay.
So the colors are phenomenal now compared to what we used to do in the cultured marble stuff. So
well, this is cultured marble. These are the samples of the cultured marble.
Cultured marble is relatively plain. It's something white background with a gray swirl, white swirl. Cost effective. You certainly don't want to put ceramic tile in a shower, tub, I believe. Okay. My belief is, my opinion, you don't want the grout, the mold, and all that.
Yeah, it's a pain to clean.
It's a pain to clean and everything. One thing I can say, we have customers come back here. The only time we get repeat customers is when they move or nowadays getting into old age communities, things like that. They've had our product for 30, 40
and they
years.
Want it somewhere else.
And first thing they call us and we come and we can do the whole bathroom renovation. We pull the whole tile out, the tub out. A lot of people take the tubs out now, putting in showers with the bench seats. Yeah,
wheelchair accessible.
Wheelchair accessible. We have a beautiful base for that. For anybody that's looking for accessibility issues, our product is one of the best for that. Wow. As well, because you can roll right into our bases if we don't put the curb on the front. But we do recommend bench seats all the time. Take out a tub. Yeah. 5-foot shower with a bench on the end. And that's all you need. It makes a lot of sense. All you need,
Okay, well, Rudy, there's such a rich history here. We're going to really dive into kind of the difference between the types of marble. Yeah. All of that is still coming up on Morning Live, so don't go anywhere. Back here on Arvin Avenue and Stoney Creek, Rudy, what is the process that is just about to happen?
Well, this is a product called Marblite that's the fancier product that we have. I actually am the only dealer of this in Ontario. Of this product, and what it is basically, it's a photograph. If you can see that, it's a photograph, a little bit of plastic mylar. Yeah. And what we do is we pour the resin onto the mold first, which we've already done here. And my friend Jimmy here is going to roll out a piece.
All right, Jimmy, let's see it.
Photograph.
Okay.
Jimmy is what we call the Marblite master, because you have to squeegee out the air bubbles and stuff.
Right.
And stuff like that. So he's got this pretty down pat. He's with his little foamy rollers here. We figured all this out over the last 15 years.
Wow! Oh my gosh, he's so fast.
There it is. Right? Yeah, you got to be fast. And that is really it.
Oh, cool.
There is a color in there, believe it or not. It's just hard to tell on our mold.
No, you can totally see it.
And you just squeegee out the air bubbles there. Yeah. So you can see, and that way there's no air pockets in the photos when it's done. And then what happens after this is hardened a little bit? It looks like the other table over there.
Okay, this process?
That table over there.
Can I touch it?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh yeah, okay. Yeah. It's very smooth.
Yeah. And right now, the plastic is on there. Yeah. In a few minutes, Jimmy's going to peel this plastic off. So this is like the old tattoos you used to rub on your skin.
Oh yeah, the temporary tattoos.
So we peel the plastic off, and the ink sticks to the resin. Yeah. And so there's no plastic in your piece, no chance of delamination, no chance of this coming apart. Right. And the ink sticks to the resin. It's quite a process.
That's so cool. Yeah. And then of course we're going to show the final products coming out. Now, what about taking care of this? How do you clean it?
We recommend any spray bottle cleaners like Lysol, Mr. Clean Tile, like any spray bottle cleaners work. We can use bleach. We actually, when we work on the products here, clean them and stuff, we're using acetone. Okay. So you're not having that harsh a product in your house. So, so any spray bottle, Tilex, Mr. Clean, Vim, anything like that. It's very easy, very easy.
So we've got this for bathrooms. We've got this for showers.
He's going to pull this.
Oh.
So this is how the plastic comes off.
Can I touch underneath? No. Yes? No. Okay, it's kind of sticky.
Yeah. So now you can see the color is stick to the resin. It's no longer on the plastic.
That's so cool.
Yeah. So that's.
I love the look. Okay,
Yeah.
so we're doing this for bathrooms, showers.
Showers.
We've got backsplash for the kitchen.
Kitchen backsplashes, fireplace mantles, stuff like that. Yeah, we can do pretty much anything now with the Marblite product. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, we're going to be showing the final product coming up. So don't go anywhere for now. I'm going to send things back inside the studio. Well, we just saw with Jimmy how it's actually manufactured, what it goes from, and this is the final product ready. This is gorgeous.
Isn't that something? Yeah, this is a product we brought in 12, 13 years ago called Marblite. We get the photos that you saw from Salt Lake City, Utah, actually. And we are the only dealers of Marblite in Ontario.
Amazing.
So you cannot get this anywhere else in Ontario.
And you really notice the difference. So this is the Marblite, and then this is the older.
What we call our older product, the cultured marble product, which is nice. It's very functional, easy to clean, maintain. All of it is the same functionality. It's just what do you want it to look like? What wow factor? If you look at some of these are all solar panels. If you look at some of these.
This one is remarkable.
Yeah, that one's called Amazon.
Where are they putting it?
That's an accent wall. So what we do with them, we can do a wow wall on the back of your shower.
Cool.
And then put something
like an accent.
and then just do like white swirl on the sides. Keeps the cost down of the shower, and you get a gorgeous wow shower.
That's
right?
so smart.
We're doing a lot of what we call accent walls.
Yeah.
Where we
in
do
your shower. People are coming a long way.
Yeah.
Normally it used to be an accent wall in your living room or bedroom, but
we can do any photo that you have as well. We can do. If you have a photo of a waterfall in Jamaica and you want to put it on your back shower, we can do that.
Do people do that?
We have not done it yet, in all honesty, but I know it is possible, and I can certainly offer that.
All of a sudden, you're gonna have people's dogs in their shower and their kids.
Yeah, that's right.
Now I know we've got an area that is going to showcase kind of all of the colors, and this again is in your first showroom.
Front showroom. Yeah, unfortunately, we are a factory, like a plant, so we don't have a lot of showroom space, so that's why we built the thing in the back.
But that's okay, because people can come in and they can see it.
This was all offices. There was no showroom. So I built this showroom over the last 15 years. So
and these are all the different patterns and things.
There are like 300 different patterns.
Oh my gosh!
Like 300 different patterns of this product. So. Yeah, you can pick anything. We got the wood looks. Like you can do, you can have an aged, you can have wood looks.
That's cool.
You can have tile looks. We have tile patterns. You want a subway pattern.
Oh
we can do
but
tile.
There's no grout.
No grout.
So
no grout.
smart,
Easy
Rudy.
Easy to clean. That's why. And then here also we show here we can do this product Marblite in high gloss or matte finish. Matte finish is more natural. Natural stone is not shiny.
No.
Glossy also sometimes makes it look a little plasticky, So I do recommend the matte, but we can do it either way.
All right, well, all you need to do is give Rudy a call here, MM Products. We've got lots more coming up on Morning Live. Don't go anywhere. Ending off our morning, MM Products, they do the whole thing. It is not just the shower or your tile. You do the complete renovation.
Yeah, that's correct, Emily. I've been designing bathrooms for almost 40 years now. So for me, I like to make the showers fit the rooms. Everybody comes in here with their standard sizes and stuff like that. They got to have a 5-foot base. When I get to see the house, when I get into the actual bathroom, you can see, well, I can do this. We can make it maybe 3 inches bigger, 2 inches smaller. We do everything. Everything we do here is custom. So I always tell people, you want to make the shower fit the room and whatever. So we offer the whole package. We do the tear outs, the flooring, the toilets, sinks, faucets. I can offer everything.
Wow, okay. And when you move on to this kind of stuff, I mean, I'm thinking the reason why you don't just want to leave them with a shower is because the shower is going to look so good compared to everything else.
That's right. Normally the people match the countertop, the vanity top to the shower walls.
Yeah.
So, and it just looks amazing. Right?
Yeah.
And now with the Marblite, the granite looking product that we've been doing, about 14 years now we've been doing the Marblites.
Yeah.
They look like real granite.
They really do.
Yeah, they're awesome. And so now you've got a seamless, easy to clean. That's why people want our stuff. you wipe this stuff down. If you can get in the habit of pulling a squeegee, you rarely have to clean our products, right? It's just so easy to maintain.
Well, and that's the thing, is that like, I'm assuming it gets rid of, like, you don't have a lot of grout or like a soap scum or anything that doesn't stick to it, does it?
If it does, there's a gel gloss that you can put on a wax, so we do recommend that like once a year.
Yeah.
But that's only to get the water to beat off of it. But there's no grout anywhere, so you're never doing this toothbrush thing 5 years down the road.
And bleach and smelling the whole place up.
100%. And that's why people buy our products. That's why, Emily, in almost 40 years, I have never tiled a shower or a bathtub area. I will never.
Wow.
I've never done one. I won't do one.
Nope.
I've had one person, I think I can remember in my history, that said, we definitely want tile. I said, then go somewhere else. I'm not doing it. So I'm a firm believer in cultured marble or Marbleite, and that's what we do.
Okay, well, there you have it. You can come and you can get the full bathroom experience. And this is a brand new showroom that you guys are just...
We're just getting this one ready to go, and yeah.
All right, where can people reach you? How can they reach you?
They can reach us on the internet, obviously, with the website, our phone number, 905-561-4550. And I'd love to come out and give you guys a hand to design bathrooms and do them for you.
All right, well, thanks so much, Rudy.
You're welcome, thank you.